Om Sai Ram. This Leela is related to Sri Ramchandra Ramakrishna Samant. Baba loved Dabholkar very much, but the fragrance of his love enveloped Samant also, who was Dabholkar's son-in-law. Samant was born into a very religious and devout family. His great-grandfather was a renowned Varkari who made regular pilgrimages to Pandharpur, especially on Ashadi Ekadashi. His grandfather was devoted to both Lord Vitthal and Shankar and spent long hours doing Nam Jap, meditation and devotional songs. His father continued the family tradition and made several visits to Pandharpur. Thus, young Samant grew up in a very spiritual atmosphere. However, his education pulled him in the opposite direction, and it was strong enough to stifle all religious feelings and spirituality. His family, however, had no connection with Baba. Then in 1911, he married Dabholkar's daughter. Soon after his marriage, he started getting ill and started showing symptoms of hereditary albuminuria. The treatment required him to follow a strict diet, and he partook no solid food at night. Dabholkar sought refuge at Baba's feet and took him to Shirdi. At Shirdi, everyone bowed at Baba's feet, and Shama asked Samant to do the same. Baba smiled and said, "Shamya, he finds it very difficult to bow at Guru's feet." Baba then placed his hand at benediction on his head and said, "Allah bhala karega." True to his words, at that very moment he started improving. Samant was soon able to take solid food at night. He, however, continued taking the medicines and got his urine checked on a regular basis. Finally, he recovered completely and was able to eat regular meals with his family. This incident had profound effect on him, and his faith increased by leaps and bounds. In February 1915, he realized how much Baba loved him and cared for him. Early that month, he was sick and convalescing in his home at Arnala. One day he tried to get out of bed when he got convulsion and fell down. He struck his head with a great deal of force on the floor. His wife heard the thud and came running, seeing his condition. She feared that he had sustained serious injury. At the time, he had a strange vision. He states, "I saw 8 to 10 persons who were dark and fierce looking. They carried spears and swords and had surrounded me. I realized they were Yamdoots, that is, messengers of death, who had come to take me away." I said to myself, "What is all this? Why are they beating me?" Although I didn't perceive any pain, yet I knew that I was being beaten. At the very moment, there was a bright light and saw a hand sweep aside all those dark, hideous looking people. Then they stepped aside and stood respectfully looking down. It was then that I saw the white kafni. I knew who my savior was. At that moment, I got up fully conscious and saw that my concerned family was around me. The only damage done by the fall was that my specs were broken. This incident strengthened my faith in Baba. This Leela has taken from Life of Sai Baba, Volume 3, written by Mr. B. V. Narasimha Swami. Om Sai Ram.